Okay, John Craddock, I'm really happy to have you here, and thanks for stopping by and answering a few questions from me.
No, it's a real pleasure to be here and answer a few questions, so ask away.
Thank you. Your session is about IPv6 and direct access. Could you elaborate a little bit about those topics?
Okay, well, I guess the key focus of the session is direct access, but direct access encompasses a lot of technologies, and one of them being IPv6. And although everyone accepts that one day networks will be IPv6, the transition to that has been very slow. So I wanted to bring in, what you need to know about IPv6 to support direct access. So, do you want me to tell you a little bit about direct access, what it does?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
Please, go ahead.
So the idea of direct access is that it allows remote access for users to come into our corporate network. Now, we've got that already. We've got that with VPNs. The problem is with the VPN, it relies on the user connecting before we're actually connected into CorpNet. Now, across the VPN, we can manage the health of that client, we can deploy group policy, we can deploy updates to it. But how often do people actually VPN into the corporate network? If you're a road warrior going around, you end up at your hotel, you're a bit rushed, you might use Outlook Web Access or Outlook Anywhere to gain access and do your email, but you don't connect into CorpNet using a VPN. No. So therefore, the health of your system, we can't check it. Now, with direct access, as soon as you connect your computer to the internet, wherever it might be at an internet cafe, it might be in that hotel room or somewhere else, as soon as you're connected, it's almost like the corporate network reaches out and grabs your computer. Okay. And at that point, we're in total control of it. So we can health check it, we deploy group policy to it, we can manage it. And then when the user actually logs into the client, at that point, we authenticate them through to CorpNet as well. So there's a major advantage is that we're always connected. So the client machine is always on, always connected to CorpNet. So we're
always secure, right?
And always, provided we do whatever is necessary to secure it. Mm-hmm. But we're always in control of it from CorpNet. So that's the major difference between direct access and VPN access. The other thing is there's no user interaction at all in terms of actually setting the channel up. So as soon as we plug it in, we have what's called the infrastructure channel established through to CorpNet, and then when the user logs in, if we want, we can have smart card access through a user tunnel into CorpNet. It's all completely encrypted, it's all completely authenticated as well. Caveat to this? There's always a caveat.
Always caveat.
Okay, so the remote client needs to be Windows 7, or it could be Server 2008 R2. The ingress server, which is the server that connects between the internet and our corporate network, needs to be either Windows Server 2008 R2, or we need to be running UAG to support direct access. So UAG is in Unified Access Gateway. Now, the client talks IPv6 from itself all the way through to the corporate servers. And of course, most people don't have IPv6 in their network currently. And the internet, there is IPv6 internet, but not a lot of it. So what we need is what's called transition technologies. And there are different transition technologies depending on how you're connected. So the idea of my session is, number one, we look at what IPv6 is all about. We then look at the transition technologies, which will allow you to come in over IPv6, over an IPv4 internet. And then how do we support IPv6 within our corporate network? So that really is what the two sessions are about. They're action-packed and very deep, very technical.
Yeah, I saw that. It was very technical. So could the crowd here handle it? Are they technical enough, do you think?
I'm sure they are. Okay. It's a level 400 session, so it's designed for experts, experts.
And we do have experts here, right? So
yes. Very, very...
John, I'm really pleased to have you here, and thank you for your interview, and I hope your session will do well.
Thank you very much.
Hopefully we'll have you back here in Sweden some other time.
Yeah, I always love being in Sweden. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.